So good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Nago Digger, on another video again. So today I'll be breaking down how I got my trade idea and what the outcome of the trades I took are. So if you want to learn how I get my trade like this, how I take this beautiful setup like this, you should do well to stick to the end of this video. So let's get right into it. So looking at the chart, you can see clearly that I took two positions in this zone and why. What you want to do first is what spot your what confluence, your confirmation. Do you have more probability, high probability in your favor of winning the trade? Do you have more confluences before taking your trade? So that's the question you want to ask yourself. And firstly, the thing I spotted before taking this trade was this imbalance right here, because after market came here, it swept the liquidity below these lows, came back and retest the demand zone that swept this liquidity before pushing to the upside. And if you notice, guys, you can see that there's an imbalance here, a bullish engulfing candlestick right here. And we know for a fact that the candlestick before the imbalance is always our order block. So that's one of my confluence I had. So, and you know for a fact that market cannot just go up. It has to pull back and sweep more liquidity before going to its original position. So immediately market retests this our order block here. That's when I entered for my buy trade and if my first position. And if you see, immediately price mitigated the order block, it start pushing to the upside. But this is when things got interesting, guys. If you look at the price, it didn't just go to the upside immediately. It started creating our what manipulation, because retail traders or beginner traders would think that okay, market is now selling here now, that this is just a liquidity sweep to the upside so that the market will start crashing down. But no, market manipulators, this is what they always do. Smart money, this is how they always manipulate the market before pushing price to their original direction. So for a fact, I spotted another liquidity sweep below these lows, and I know for a fact that this second position was taken in a New York session, and New York session always sweep its liquidity no matter what, mostly. So that's when I entered for the second position upon the mitigation of this liquidity sweep. That's when I took my second entry, and if you can see, this trade was a beautiful setup right here. I got a good risk to reward for this trade. My first trade was 1:13 risk to reward, and the second position was 1:8 risk to reward. As you can see, this is a beautiful setup, beautiful trade, very A plus setup. This is what I do all day, I do all time. I do quarterly, yearly, monthly, weekly, daily. I always trade my setup. I always take my entry based on my edge. Do you understand? So if you want to take this same trades like me, or if you want to learn how I take my trades like this, you can do well to click the link in the description, and my WhatsApp number is there. You can write me up to sign up for my mentorship program, or if you want to join my Signal group, you can also click the link in the description where you find my Telegram group and join my community where we'll have like-minded traders like myself. So you get a good trade like us and take a good trade like the pros. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'll be showing you how I journal my data on this trade. So if you can see here clearly, this is my trading journal, my spreadsheet, my trading spreadsheet. You can see here Thursday, it was yesterday, I took two positions and it took me about 12 hours for the first position to hit take profit. This is one of the longest trade I've ever taken. The second position took me about 13 hours before hitting take profit. And if you see here, the first position is what, London. I took it during London session. Second position was during New York session. Long trade, edge type, liquidity. As you can see here, my stop loss, the outcome, the risk to reward, the loss size I use. And if you also go to this side, you can see that I have a 100% win rate. It's just a trading journal for the month. So I just started off trading, recording this journal. So far the two trades I've taken is 100% win rate here, as you can see. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, very insightful, and very educative, make sure you do well to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one.